Do you have sound? Test, test. 1, 2, 3. Okay. No problems. No echo. Okay, great. Well, good morning, everybody. This is Marilyn. Um, we are Thursday, August 6th this morning. So I'll take just a couple of minutes and go over the news of the day and the lay of the land here in Apex land. Uh, Remind you in 5 minutes is unemployment claims or unemployment lies, whichever way you look at it. But that's a pretty big news event in the U.S. and it will affect, it can affect the indices. So if you have a trade on, pay attention to your trade. Um, One of the things I wanted to let you know this morning about these indices is it looks like the Dow is kind of leading here. The Dow's been it's been stronger than the rest of them, which is kind of unusual because the Q has been leading this for quite a while. Yesterday, the VIX hit 1088 low, which is extremely low for the VIX is the volatility indicator, and so it gives us a clue about what's happening to those indices and what to expect. When they're this low, when the VIX is down, the indices will be up, and boy, has that ever been the case lately. So this morning, crude oil is tending to grind its way down. West Texas is grinding, which is what we trade. Brent has breached its 49.37 bottom of the year. So let's see. We have gold doesn't seem to be doing too much. The dollar's gaining a little strength. It has been. Nothing's moving really fast this morning yet. Canadian dollar is staying in its correlation with crude oil. Bonds look like they would like to go down. If you are trading the Nadex with the UJ, it tends to follow bonds. So you can make a nice correlation and use a chart for an indicator. Wheat has just skyrocketed overnight, and corn is up. Beans are about in a neutral position. The currencies are all pretty neutral right now. So looking at crude oil specifically for trading, we're still in the downward pattern. The first thing I notice is where are we relative to settlement? And we're below settlement. Apex is painting red apexes. These are very consistent. The reason these are dotted is because they are add-on positions. If you are a trend trader, this started way back over here yesterday at about 11:30. So we're still in this same down. When you see the apex red E with a matching MVP right in the same, sometimes these MVPs are delayed, but this one is not. So this would have given you a nice trend, especially right off here. This is a good trade from the red ice line here down to the bottom of this range channel. Notice the bottom of the range channel and then the deviation right here. So that's about what I have for this morning. I will see you all at noon for a morning wrap. Today is a little busy at Apex. They've got a toolkit ready for us that I would strongly suggest you wait until the afternoon webinar that will help you with that immensely. And so I will also come back on at 2:30. I think I mentioned yesterday that I would try to do some chart marking tips Friday afternoon. I won't be able to do that. I have to do the afternoon wrap and run really fast on Friday, so I'll do it this afternoon. 2:30 when we do the afternoon wrap, I'll spend about 5 minutes and show you some tips on how to mark your charts, because marking these charts is very, very important to the learning curve. All right. Happy trading this morning, and I'll see you at noon. Thanks.